Good evening, everybody. Today is 3rd of October. Market has been closed. Let us review what market has done today. Before that, I would request everyone to please subscribe to my channel. Whoever are new on my platform, you will be receiving the live market analysis when I'm doing it in when the market is running live. Today we had one posting on the Bank Nifty on our golden structure, and you will receive the post market analysis as well as for tomorrow and for week basis and for the month basis. Okay, please start subscribing, please start liking the videos so that I'll have lots of motivation to go further with more strategies, as well as comment on my videos. Whatever doubt you have, I will like to communicate through that and try to attend everyone's comment. If required any other videos to clarify everybody's comment, I will make for them. Okay, let's move on to the chart. All right. This is the ABB's perfect match for our golden structure. If people who are new on this, they can go and view my last videos. We have clarified entirely how the golden structure works. All right, and but probably you'll be able to get the glimpse of how the structure is defined, entries made. We see the consecutive highs here, 1, 2, 3. Market is exhausting with a rally ups. I usually wait for 3 consecutive peaks as close as possible, right? Something like this. We want to see once the market has given you a rally of big moves, I want to see exhaustion happening in consecutive highs as close possible and then break off a structure. All right. Once the structure is broken, let him come and retest this high. Okay. In this scenario, we have rallies up, but that is okay. As well as the break in structure is also in like a dump of the market taken out with momentum, and then it has gone back exactly on the same level with the high momentum. All right, so at this place we are looking to testing minimum of this area, and on the third testing we enter the market and we look for our candlestick pattern of rejection candle and then engulfing. Sell below that, stop loss goes above it, and you can easily go to the target of from where the market has broken the structure, the swing low. That will be the first target. Second target, consecutively you can keep looking at the swing lows. The market has gone to the second, maybe tomorrow morning you'll go to third, maybe. But we don't carry positions. It's an intraday workout. Once you reach your maximum targets and the market is closing, you come out of it. The first target is 100% achievable. It doesn't miss out at any cost. After that, you have to trail it out so that if market reverses, you come out with the profit, still in the profit without losing the entire money. All right. So let's see the Bank Nifty today. We had a quick scalp, not a good major move, but that's fine. I'm happy with whatever market gives me that day. No complaint about. We have been seeing the market is making lower lows from yesterday. This peak has been formed. This peak is protected by break in the structure here. This high was the lower low. This was also a lower low. This is third high. Break in structure, market went up, retesting this place. Our entry comes after the third test. We were unfortunate. This was only one test. It went and took out this low. Made another low here, came back up. Today, this is the today's session. Made another lower low, pulled back up, took out this low, and then he exhausted himself at this place. This is what we are looking at, consecutive 3 lows on a buy side. All right. And then break in a structure on the peak of the second low. It is done here. I will wait for market to come at this price. This is the low of second peak, second low, right? So this is the first attempt, pull back. This is the second attempt. We get engulfing, pull back deeper. We get into the range bound now. Market comes here, gives you the pin bar, and there is engulfing. Once the market closes above the pin bar, we get into the trade. The swing high is your first target. Second target is the next swing high. Market crossed over but did not go to the swing high, second swing high. There is a death candle here. We explained much of this detail in our previous videos and all. So this candle is trying to hold it out. It came down back. I was trailing through, and then I'm out of the market at this price. Market broke the structure, went down low. We wait for market to still again give us the structure towards the buy or sell. We see the breakdown of a structure here. There is no closing below this low. There is no closing below this low. So this becomes second consecutive low, right? Let us see. This is the first. This all three together is one. And this all two. Okay, this is second. There is a close below. This is third. There is a break in a structure here. High is taken out. We wait for market to come to the second low for a buy. Okay. Now, before this market comes here, there were lots of trading done above this. After the break of the structure, you can see this three peaks rise, 1, 2, 3. In fact, we saw the break in structure towards sell side too. Now you are in between the two ways. Now the break in structure has happened for the buy, break in structure has happened for the sell, right? This is the pullback. This is the first test of the market. We do not get into the first trade. First test of the market. This is the test. This test is not considered because the structure is not broken here. This side of structure. This is one peak, two peak, three peak, and this low. Broke here. This is the first test. No second test. We are not entering. It's just going down. Lower highs. So it is selling through. This is the first test of the buy side of the structure, which he has broken here. This place. And it goes past this low and closes. So even this structure is not valid now. So there's no trade whether on selling and buying. Okay. It further goes down and the rest of the days it just settled down here. Okay. So this was only the trade we were able to get through only 25 to 30 points from entry to our first target. And if you trail it, you may lose some 5 to 10 points, that max. Okay. And then after that, we do not have based on the structures. Now, what is interesting thing to know, even though the structure is not giving us a buy or a sell, you do have places of, lower highs to trade. Okay. You can always trade this rejection candle with engulfing with the lower highs when you know the market is in the bearish mode. See this? This try to hold the market. These are important key candle formations which you can always look for. All right. Thank you, everyone. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I'll try to post video if something comes up. Good night.